Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove the background of photos using Vivid AI. And Vivid AI is an easy AI tool that can help you to create any creative content, like maybe AI talking photos, avatar videos, and then maybe product photos, AI videos, and many more. And if you want to try this Keep it AI, you can just click the link in the descriptions and pin comment to access this web. And after that, to remove the background, first just go to the image studio and then just go to remove background and then just upload your photos over here. For example, I want to choose this one and then just upload it. And okay, like this, you will get the results like this. You can see the backgrounds automatically removed like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.